In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find my add-ins in Outlook. Add-ins are small tools that extend what Outlook can do, like scheduling, task management, or connecting to other apps. If you've installed a few and want to find them, manage them, or remove one you don't use anymore, follow along and I'll walk you through it from start to finish. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook. In the results, click the official Outlook website to open the Outlook web app. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your usual account credentials to get to your inbox. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the top of the page for the controls that sit above your messages. You're looking for a small icon that looks like a square or a box-shaped symbol associated with apps and extensions. Depending on your screen size and Outlook's layout, you may see it labeled as Apps or Get Add-ins. Click that to open the Add-ins menu. From the menu, select Get Add-ins. This opens the Add-ins for Outlook window, where you can browse the store and manage what you already have. To see the add-ins you've previously added, click the My Add-ins section. This is your personal list, and it shows everything that's currently available in your Outlook account. Here, you'll be able to confirm what's installed and available in your compose or reading experience. If something isn't showing up where you expect, double-check that it appears in this list. If it does, it's installed on your account. If your window is small, you may need to scroll to see the whole list, and sometimes categories group items together, so expand any sections if needed. If you want to remove an add-in you no longer use, find it in your My Add-ins list. Click the three dots next to its name to open the menu, and then click Remove. Outlook will take it off your account, so it won't appear in your toolbar or message menus anymore. If you change your mind later, you can always return to the Get Add-ins section to add it back. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the Add-ins option, try maximizing your browser window or checking the More Options menu on the toolbar. Also, in some work or school accounts, administrators might control certain add-ins, which means you might not be able to remove those ones yourself. And that's it. You've found where your Outlook add-ins live, learned how to view them, and how to remove one when you need to.